Hi, I'm Phil from Buck & Buck, and I am here wearing our VELCRO Fly Twill pant, which is a great product for a number of different people, whether you're dressing yourself or whether you need a little bit of help dressing. This could be a great product for you. As you can see, it opens very easily thanks to the VELCRO clasp and VELCRO fly, thus the name of the product, as opposed to the zip fly and button clasp, which you see on a traditional pair of pants. To close it up, simply fold it over, give it a little touch, and it's very strong, sturdy, and looks very nice too. Again, this has been a great product for many of our customers over the years. We hope it can be a solution for you as well.